I've already started.
Okay, ready?
Oh gosh.
1, 2,
Please
go.
erase that.
Stop. Oh, you're going to make me miss him.
You're gonna fall in the cupcakes too.
Do we need to turn the light out or anything?
Yeah.
There we go.
Whose birthday is it?
Whose birthday?
Who? Is it yours?
Wait, we're going to sing first.
Yes,
Caleb,
sing
come on. Oh, Caleb, leave that one on so we can see. Leave that one on so Misty can video. Go turn that one back on, please.
Sorry, I can take one.
Hurry before his hair catches on fire.
You going to sing?
No, we're gonna
Ready?
sing.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grayson. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Okay, blow him out.
Blow him out.
Blow 'em out.
Blow hard.
Oh, you
Blow
want me to help
hard.
you? Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow. Yay!
Alright.
You want to open your presents or you want to eat your cupcake?
Clint.
Okay.
I don't want.
Can you imagine he wants to eat his cupcake first?